In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Trello card creation from Google Sheets. Now, let's dive into the process and make your project management a breeze by syncing your Google Sheets with Trello. Imagine a scenario where you're managing a team and tracking tasks or ideas in Google Sheets. Each row represents a new task or idea, and manually transferring each entry into Trello can be time-consuming. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to automate this process, helping you save time and reduce errors. To get started, make sure you have a Google account, as well as a Trello account. Log into your Trello account and create a new board or open an existing one where you'd like these new cards to appear. In the Google Sheets file where your data is stored, you'll need a few crucial columns, things like task name, description, due date, or other specific fields that matter to your projects. Now, we'll use a tool known as Zapier, a go-between for different apps, to automate this task. Start by setting up an account on Zapier if you haven't already. It's free to start and a great resource for task automation. Once you're in Zapier, create a new Zap. A Zap is an automated workflow with a trigger and one or more actions. For this task, our trigger will be adding or updating a row in Google Sheets. Choose Google Sheets as the trigger app and select New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger event. Follow the prompts in Zapier to connect your Google account. You'll then be asked to select the specific Google Sheets file and worksheet. Pick the one where your data resides. The next step is crucial. Set up your trigger to monitor for new rows. These will be turned into Trello cards. You can test this trigger to ensure everything is set up correctly and that Zapier can see your data. Once the trigger is set up, move on to the action, where you'll choose Trello as the action app and select Create Card as the action event. Again, follow Zapier's prompts to connect to Trello, authorizing it as necessary. Then, specify which board and list you'd like the new cards to appear on. Next, you'll map out fields from Google Sheets to Trello. For example, map your task name or title in Sheets to the card name in Trello, and similarly, map descriptions, due dates, and any other information to corresponding fields in Trello. This step ensures that each Trello card is populated with the correct information from your Google Sheet. Before finalizing, test your Zap. Add a new row to your monitored Google Sheet and see if it automatically creates a new card in Trello. If everything works as expected, you can turn on your Zap. And now, whenever you add a new row in Google Sheets, Zapier will handle the rest, automatically creating a Trello card for you. That's all there is to it. By applying this simple automation using Zapier, you'll save yourself or your team the hassle of manually creating Trello cards from spreadsheet data, streamlining your project management process in no time. Happy automating!